Here we're working on a 2018 Nissan Altima Prox. Here they have our hazards on. So we're going to continue. Oh, too far. 1318. Ignition's off, hazards are on. Okay. Yep. Alright, there's our programming tone. Wait for it to communicate. Alright, so we're going to hold the start button in until the dash lights up. Alright, dash is lit up. Continue. Alright, switch ignition off. Continue. We take the top edge of our Prox. We're using an X-Horse smart key. So we're going to take this backside, push the start button until the theft light flashes 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Continue. I'm going to switch it back off. Continue. You want to program more? No. So we're going to close out programming. So we're going to do this one more time with the Prox against the button. Here's our long tone. Registration will be complete. If you look at the dash, when I turn the ignition back off, it says registration complete. So we've already done that. Procedure complete. Turn our hazards off. Let's check our Prox. There we go. And there you have it. A 2018 Nissan Altima, all keys lost, programmed with the Ninja using an X-Horse smart key.